Hello, Mrityans. I hope you all are fine. So, we were discussing our chapter web applications. In this video, I am going to proceed with the last topic of your 8th session, that is Internet Securities. The last topic of this session is clearing data stored in browsers. Web browsers have built-in password management designed to store passwords used in forms on websites. Browsers often prompt to save usernames and passwords when users attempt to log on to websites. This facility is offered to users so that they can log on to their frequently used websites without having to type the usernames or passwords. However, it is not advisable to leave the web browser store this data, particularly on public or shared computers. To clear the personal data from web browsers such as Mozilla Firefox, launch the browser. First step you have to do is click the Tools menu, click Options. The Security tab, the following window will be displayed. Notice that under Password section, remember password for site is checked. This means the browser is configured to save passwords for websites automatically. You can uncheck Remember Password for Sites option if you prefer not to store the passwords. Mozilla Firefox can also store data such as cookies, visited websites, or web pages data, browsing history, etc. To clear this stored data, click General tab, then Options. The following window will be displayed. Now you will click to the Privacy tab. The following window will be displayed. Under History section, click the drop-down menu to the Firefox. Select the Use Custom Settings. For history, from the drop-down list, the following window will be displayed. Notice the preferences. Firefox is configured to remember browsing and downloading history, search and form history and cookies. See, you can see here the history, bookmarks, open tabs, the location where you have visited, and the history. Firefox will remember history. Firefox will remember your browsing, download form, and search history and keep cookies from websites you visit. You may want to clear your recent history or remove individual cookies. You can click over here. Click the Clear Now and then click OK. From now on, Mozilla Firefox will not remember any history as you have configured it that way. There are several online threats such as phishing, email spoofing, chat spoofing, etc. You can reduce the risk by using best practices such as using antivirus software, anti-spyware software, firewalls, strong passwords, etc. in addition to spreading awareness of the best practices. If you face any problem regarding the videos, just post your query in the comment section. Write down the question answers on your notebooks. The link for the question answers and ebook is available in the comment section. I am very eager to see you kids back in the classrooms. Thank you very much.